G'day, I'm Dan from HDB Barramundi. I just wanted to explain to you a little bit today about who we are and what we do. So HDB Barramundi is our own territory family-owned business. We've been running since 1993. We've grown from doing just 6 kilos of baby barra a week into the Darwin market to now doing more like 120 tonnes of fish a week to restaurants and retailers all around Australia. So we've got a team of about 150 people here, and we're really proud to to grow this beautiful territory barramundi and share it with people all around the country. So now we're going to show you a video around some of what we do.
Hi, I'm Rob. This is the HDB Barramundi hatchery. These are our brood stock. We get into condition. These are the fish that produce millions of little fingerlings that we send out to the farm.
Hi, I'm Brad. I'm Nursery 1 and 2 Supervisor. This is the size of the fish in Nursery 1. They're here for the first month of their life on the farm.
Hi, I'm Hayley, and this is Nursery 2, and we look after the fish for the second month of their life.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Welcome to Nursery 3. So this is the final stage of our fish's nursery phase before they head out onto the ponds.
In Grat, we look after the fish that get stocked out from the nurseries at this big, and we look after them in the ponds until they reach about this big.
How you going? My name's Ricky. This is our harvest team. At the moment we're harvesting plate fish. They will get taken from here over to the post-harvest, and they will pack the fish the next day after they're chilled down at temperature.
Hi, my name's Karen. After we harvest the fish, we pack them and then they get sent off Australia wide.
My name's Pete Fisher. I'm the farm manager. My main role now is to look after infrastructure and development, and I also look after the wildlife around the place, pigs, buffalo, crocodiles, anything that's causing us an issue. And it just so happens I've just pulled one out right now. We probably get on average 20, 25 of these little fellas a year in. Once they find the farm, start eating barra, they don't like to leave. They think it's Christmas. So yeah, there's lots of interesting things to be done here.
We also have departments that work across the entire farm to ensure that our fish, environment, people and partners are all genuinely looked after. There is our research and development team, who are always trying to innovate and improve our processes. There is the fish health team, who work across the entire farm. They constantly monitor the fish and the water quality. This includes taking water samples to check in the lab. We have a maintenance team who keep the farm running by looking after the vehicles, paddle wheels and all of the equipment on the farm. There is a procurement team who look after ordering and storing all the items that are needed on the farm. We also have a cleaning and hygiene team who ensure the workplace is kept to a high standard. And there is a night shift crew who make sure the fish have round-the-clock care.
So now that you've seen a bit what goes on at our farm, we hope you have a much better understanding of what goes into growing our unreal saltwater barramundi. Our fish can take up to 2 years to grow and requires a lot of time, effort, money and people to be able to grow our top quality product. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.